to yesterday. The sunlight hurts my eyes.
Hi.
There are no shades. Away to yesterday. The sunlight hurts my eyes.
Can't seem to find.
My name is Mark Anderson, and I'd like to thank you for taking a moment to explore the possibilities with Enet Components. Today I'm going to tell you about Enet's OEM-compatible fiber optic transceivers. We'll cover what they are and what they do, how they compete with the OEM, and then what's in it for you. So what exactly is a fiber optic transceiver and what does it do? Optical transceivers are hot swappable connectors that send and receive data. They connect network switches, routers, servers, and network interface cards. Some of these devices have up to 48 ports, which would mean you have potentially 96 points of connectivity. Optics are passive. They do not generate power, and they can never damage a device. In the unlikely event an optic goes down, they're hot swappable, so you'd simply remove it and replace it. Also notice that Enet manufactures a complete line of standard and custom cables. We can provide custom cable lengths and connections that aren't available from the OEM. You know, chances are your company's already using compatible cables and the OEM hasn't voided a warranty. So if you're using a non-OEM cable, why wouldn't you use a compatible connector? How does Enet compare and compete with the OEM? For a standard 10 gig SFP, Enet's about a third of the cost of the OEM. The $747 is at a 50% discount off list pricing to the reseller. Enet offers a lifetime warranty versus the OEM standard 90-day warranty. Both are built to the MSA standard. What does that mean? It's a multi-source agreement. In other words, it's an industry standard requirement that the form factor and electrical interface are the same. Enet sources our hardware components from the same factories as the OEM. Looking at compatibility, they're identical. The OEMs program their optics with a unique lockout code that prevents any standard optic from working. Enet programs and tests each and every optic here at our facility in Lake Forest, California to perform identically to the OEM. Okay, here's the money slide and what's in it for you. In short, more profit dollars and higher savings for your end user. The numbers shown are based off the costs we've seen in slide 4. $245 versus $747, and then the 96 optics needed to connect one device. The first bar shows you what an end user would pay if they purchased the OEM optic and marked it up just 5%. It's about $76,000 with a profit of about $3,800. The second bar shows the Enet optic marked up 35%. The end user pays about half and you make 3 times as much. That's right, you just saved your end user $39,000 and put an additional $9,000 towards your commission check. We just covered the numbers for connectivity on one device. Imagine the money to be made and saved in data centers like these. Remember some of the industries we pointed out? Government agencies, public institutions, they're all under budgetary constraints and are always looking for ways to contain costs. Every end user with a data center, large or small, would benefit by using Enet products. Okay, so who's the hero now? Well, of course you are. Your end user is going to take that savings and purchase more product from you. You're going to see higher profit margins and feel more gross profit by using Enet products. You're going to win more business because you'll have more room to compete. And then you're going to gain more loyal and satisfied customers. That's a photo of one of our data centers that's standardized on Enet optics. Okay, so what did we learn? Transceivers are hot swappable connectors. They can't harm the network. We manufacture custom cables and connectors at a much better cost and margin than the OEM. Enet optics are programmed and tested in-house to function identical to the OEM, and we're backed with a lifetime replacement warranty. You're going to make a lot more money while saving your end users thousands of dollars. Thank you for the moment. I appreciate it and look forward to talking to you some more.